So now we will discuss the question number 8 from the Facebook 0, which is your rich course, and the chapter is vectors. So this question is vector chapter from the exercise. Question number 8 from the exercise of vector. Now let's read the question. So it's given that two forces, each equals to F. So magnitude wise, both the forces are same. They are acting as shown in the figure. So one force is acting in this direction and one force is acting in this direction. They're asking the resultant value. Let me draw. This is also F and this is also F. The angle is 60. We have to calculate the resultant of these two forces. So now the thing is, we can go for addition of these two vectors. But to go for the addition of these two vectors, we have to keep in mind that both the vectors should be connected with their tails. So what we will do in this case, this vector I'll be moving from here and I'll be joining it with the tail here. So while moving this vector, I'm not changing its direction, I'm not changing its length. So I move this vector from the bottom till the top, and now both the vectors are joined with their tail. So once they are joined with their tail, this angle was 60, this angle will be 120. You can see from here by extending, this angle is 60, so this will be 60. This will be 180 minus 60, which is 120. So now I have two vectors which have same magnitude, and the angle between the vector is given as 120. Okay, and now I have to add them. So resultant, let's say the resultant is R. The resultant R will be under root of F square, which is A square in this case, the mod of F, plus mod of this F, which is square, plus 2 times of mod of this one, multiplied with mod of this one, and the cos of this angle, which is 120. So this becomes F square plus F square, and we all know the value of cos 120. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So we write the minus 1 by 2, so minus will go here. So minus of 2 times of F square into 1 by 2. That becomes F square plus F square minus of F square. This 2 and this 2 will cancel out, which becomes under root of F square, and which will give you the value of F. Meaning resultant of this and this force finally is coming out to be F only, which is the second option in this case. Okay, so in this question we learn how we can move the vectors without changing its direction and the magnitude, and nothing will change in this case. Okay, thank you.